And yeah, maybe I'm not in the water, but I got a nice background and I'm quote unquote pushing the boundaries, Kyle. I'm pushing those boundaries for you. Josh, they did a video when they went and put their feet in the water, and they gave me a hard time about not going because, well, I didn't want to get frostbite, which Kyle's feet were still sore that night. But I wanted to do this really cool one, really quick. We're at this gorgeous waterfall here, almost in Halcyon Hot Springs, in the Nakustia area.
You're blurry.
Huh?
Oh.
There you go.
Okay, you're good.
So this one is actually, I got this down in the States. It's called Hazing is Socially Unacceptable. And it says FAQ on it, so FAHQ, it's amazing. The brewery is, I think that's the brewery, oh, Level Beer. And these guys are out of Oregon, so that's pretty cool. I want to give this a try, and yeah, maybe I'm not in the water, but I got a nice background, and I'm quote unquote pushing the boundaries, Kyle. Pushing those boundaries for you. I'm freezing, I'm shaking in my boots right now. Ugh. 2 fingers worth of head, Dan. Super juicy, super hazy, freezing my bag off out here, but my feet aren't gonna have frostbite. Oh yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go to the hot springs because we're freezing our butts off. In your face, Kyle and Josh! Look what I did! Can I do this? Oh, did you get my ass in that?